So first thing that we need to do is traverse it, like public traverse, and I pass plus node. Traversal means, traversal means when you are going through each of the nodes of the linked list and printing the elements of that, right? Can you tell me how can we traverse the linked list? Anybody? It's very simple, straight, quickly, I'll move on. What should we write inside this, man?
We would create a pointer to the head and keep traversing till next
Temp is not equal to null.
Very nice. So we write temp not equals to null, and I write first step print system dot out. Okay. So this will print all the elements of the linked list, right? So for example, if my linked list is 1, 2, 3, and null, once I run this, it will print 1, then it will print 2, then it will print 3. Okay. Can you write the same thing recursively? And this will be your assignment. Can you tell me what is the time complexity of this one?
Order of n.
Order of n. Very nice. Perfect. Okay. The second method that we need to find on any new data structure is that length, public and length. And again, I pass list node. And this is again very similar to how we did the last one. So I'll just copy this one. Just I need to add one counter here. So I'll just count equals to 0. And then here instead of this, I just include the count. Right. Then I return count. So this will give me the length of the linked list. What is the time complexity of finding the length of a linked list?
Order of n.
Order of n. Perfect.